The government must do more to protect the country's future by investing in energy efficiency and low-carbon technologies, as well as assisting business electricity users. This is according to the WWF, which stated it's disappointing that this week's autumn statement gave priority to high-carbon infrastructure over renewables and other green measures. Head of Public Affairs at the group, Margaret Ownsley, said this is a short-term vision and called on the coalition to do more to ensure long-term sustainability. Commenting on the decision to offer tax breaks to energy-intensive industries, Head of Energy Policy, Nick Mulho, added this must be based on evidence that not doing so would leave businesses at a disadvantage. He added any money spent this way should also be prioritised to promote energy efficiency, helping reduce energy costs and emissions for industry. Meanwhile, consumer group Which said it's disappointing the statement did not offer more help to domestic energy customers. Save thousands on your commercial energy bills. Visit energyhelpline.com or call us on 0800 970 2626.